Hi, I'm Nick Campbell.
Hi, I'm Nathan Mercier.
Hi, I'm Brian Heisner.
Hi, I'm Annalise Goodman, and we're the Sustaining Engineering Interns at Essex Industries.
My role at Essex consists of evaluating department needs to keep our documents up to date, aiding production in finding alternative solutions to any upcoming problems, and handling new issues that customers may want to change with their current products and designs. This internship has been a great opportunity to learn the many different roles engineers play in the design, planning, and production of aerospace components, as well as providing fun ways to interact and meet the people that make Essex what it is.
One key project I've worked on is the Product Readiness Evaluation, also known as a PRE. For every new product, we conduct a PRE to ensure we're capable of manufacturing it in-house. If we're not, the evaluation helps us determine what needs to be outsourced and what capabilities we may need to bring into the company. Overall, this internship has given me valuable insight into how the aerospace industry operates and what a full product lifecycle looks like from concept to production.
Being able to sit in on engineering meetings and see what the engineering process looks like in action has made for an excellent opportunity. There is such a wide array of projects of all different stages of realization, from initial design to testing to continuation work done on projects designed 50 years ago. Essex has given me the reins to explore my interests and become a more well-rounded and therefore effective engineer, all while being able to have the opportunity to add value to my projects.